Alright guys, gonna show you my Q50 replacement. Take a guess. So here it is. It's a 2017 Honda Civic hatchback EXL with Honda sensing. I got pretty screwed with the insurance, so check out the interior real quick. Leather interior. Alright, here's the inside. Start it up. Oh, that's a cool dash. Alright. So it has currently almost 3,000 miles on it. I've been liking it so far. Actually, it comes with a lot of tech. You'd be surprised compared to the Q50 too. Of course, it has the Honda sensing package, so I'm gonna be uploading a few videos on that. Here's a lane keeping assist. Turn that on. Active cruise control, lane keeping assist. So here's a look around, collision mitigation system. So comes with the sunroof. So this is a model right under the Sport Touring. Actually has a lot of space, surprisingly, even compared to the Q50. So I'll be posting some videos on this, so keep on the lookout. If you have any questions, post a comment. A lot more to come.